Ensure your machine is placed on a stable surface. Then remove the water tank for filling. Fill the water tank with clean filtered water up to the indicated water line and ensure it is slotted back in place with the flap opening away from you. Place the drip tray onto the scale, ensuring it is slotted in place. Turn on the machine's power source and wait for the startup sequence to complete. If this is your first use, or if you have not used the machine for a prolonged period, please prime the machine before brewing. Now to make your first brew, lift the lever completely and insert your desired capsule. Close the lever. Place your favorite cup on the drip tray and select a recipe to brew from our ready-to-brew recipes. Then press the Confirm button to initiate the brewing process. The morning machine will heat up based on the recipe temperature setting. The brewing process will commence and then show you a progress meter until it is complete. Fun fact, you can turn the dial or slider to view the flow rate and coffee output directly on the digital screen. It allows a better understanding of your brew. Allow the coffee to fully dispense and wait for the signature morning beep to sound twice before removing your cup. Now enjoy your cup of coffee.